Okay, I love this question, wanting clarification on what I have put in my tincture for hot flashes, but I have a few caveats with this. Hot flashes is one of those conditions, sort of like eczema, that however you're approaching it takes a lot of experimentation. And for some people, for some women, this is a really tough issue to address, even holistically. So for instance, with my mom, we've been trying a lot of different things over the years, and most of them have been fairly ineffective. This tincture was put together by me based on some research that I've been doing though, and so here is what's in it. And I don't measure, so this is in parts, in ratios. You're gonna have 2 parts wild yam, 1 part licorice root, 1 part black cohosh, half a part vitex, and half a part motherwort. And then you want to tincture that in brandy, vodka, whatever you have that's a high quality liquor. You want to shake it daily and tincture it for about 4 to 6 weeks. And you want to make sure you have about 2 to 3 inches of liquid above where your solids settle out. So this one I could actually add a little bit more. All of those herbs are ones that have strong reputations of being helpful for this particular challenge. So I'll have to report back and let you know how it works for her, but every single woman is different, so experiment and be patient if you're having problems with this. Add yourself to my e-list and follow for more.